Crowther. We are from Exposent TV. Can we do an interview with you, please?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Welcome. From Exposent TV, we have some questions for you.
Okay, sure. Yeah.
Last conference was held in India,
That's right.
wasn't
Yes.
it?
Yes.
What are your expectations for this year, conference held here in Barcelos?
Every year, my expectations are the same, and they're always exceeded. All I'm expecting is people from all around the world to join in intellectual, stimulating discussion about topics relating to social responsibility, and everybody to enjoy themselves. I know I certainly will enjoy myself.
Of course. One of the highlights of this conference is Professor lecture on the circular economy. What companies, cities or countries must do to make the transition for this paradigm, and what potential barrier do they face?
If we want to talk about sustainability, it's not a question of what one city must do or another city. The whole world must react to overcome the problems that we're facing, and that is the problem that everybody says we need action and nobody's actually taking the action.
Of course, we must take the action.
Indeed.
We all have responsibility.
Indeed, yes.
That's questions.
Yes.
The symposium schedule
Yes.
for tomorrow
Yes.
addresses a current and mediatic subject.
Yes.
Can plastic be socially responsible? Can you give us your opinion on this matter?
Yes, okay. There's a lot of problems with plastic. The basic problem is, well, there's two problems. There's too much plastic, and it's used because it's cheap, and it's not biodegradable, so we're just building up mountains of plastic everywhere. But it is possible to develop biodegradable plastic that is being used, and that would be a socially responsible thing to do. But using plastic that we just use once and discard is the worst possible thing to do.
Okay, thank you. One more question. We know that more than 100 participants will be here in this conference.
Yes.
In what way this international scientific conference contribute to the transfer of knowledge to society?
When people get together from all around the world, like at this conference, what we find is everybody's facing the same kind of problems and issues, and if we learn from what somebody else is doing in a completely different part of the world, it can help us in our part of the world.
Okay. Do you consider that over the next days it will be possible to take another step in promoting corporate social responsibility in public and private entities?
Well, that's what I aim to achieve. You know, the more steps we take, the closer we are to achieving what we want to achieve.
Recognizing that education is the key to a better society.
Yeah.
In your opinion, what strategies should outline higher institutions in this matter on sustainable society?
Well, it goes back to what I was saying. We all need to take responsibility for ourselves and our community, and we all need to take steps. So education is part of enabling people to understand what steps are needed and how to take those steps.
Okay, education must start in institutions, isn't it?
No, it must start with individuals. As individuals, we must take responsibility. Institutions are there to assist us, not to do it for us.
Okay. In your opinion, is deforestation in Amazonia the biggest environment problem in the world today?
That's a difficult question. No, there's no single answer to that kind of question. Deforestation is certainly a problem, not just in the Amazon. Deforestation's been going on all over the world, and it's been going on for 50 years. It's not recent, but lots of other things. We're talking about plastic. Plastic pollution is a big problem, but the biggest problem is motor vehicles. We have to not add more and more motor vehicles polluting the environment. We have to develop alternatives everywhere. That's the biggest issue.
Okay, the last questions.
Okay.
Do you believe that consumers can play an important role in promoting sustainable environment or development?
Most definitely, consumers make choices, and increasingly they're trying to make sustainable choices. They need education to understand what the most sustainable choices can be, and then they've got a big part to play that they want to play.
Okay, thank you.
Okay,
Have a nice
thank you.
conference.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Thank you.
May I introduce myself?
Hello.
This is beauty. I'm really like when I was in
Are you a dancer as well?
Thank you. Tomorrow we'll have the performance of yes, and you will dance.
You will dance?
Yes, yes, and you will. No, she's yes, yes, beautiful. And yes, just to